Hi, Stephen Legg from A Leg Up. I just wanted to do a quick video and show what I found with the Open Broadcaster Studio. I've been waiting for a while to get a pause function in it. I've been hesitant to use it because I'm not very good at making videos and I need to be able to pause it, and I don't want to have to edit videos. So it's one thing I've been waiting for, and I found that it was announced it's going to be in 24, and now I just noticed that you can download it. So just gonna go through where I found it, just in case someone else is interested, and just to test out how it works. So I'm gonna pause the video while I switch to my browser window. Okay, so that looked like that worked well. So just gonna show you where I found it. So went to the OBS project. If you go to the download page now, the as of June 15th version is 23.2.1. But if you go to GitHub, so I was going to go and download the code and try and build it myself, but they've already done that. So there's a build system that's building the versions. If you go to the releases and then go to OBS Studio 24 Release Candidate 2, down under at the bottom, there's assets. And then you've got your installer. So it's got the Windows version. Looks like Windows version only right now. So there's that. But that works for me right now because I have the Windows box that I'm doing the recording on. Yeah, so I just did that, did a full install. Seems to work great. So, yep, that was just a little bit of a test and tutorial at the same time. And I hope that's helpful. Thanks.